smart Harleys, they work smart.
I know. StangMode.com. Enter to win this car and trade cash. Get our toolbox, mystery items. They're almost sold out. I'm gonna keep dancing. See you later.
I can't wait to fall in love.
Yo! Hope this message finds you all well, good spirits. I'm jamming out here. Better turn this down before I get demonetized. Guys, we are headed to C&D Auto Tech because Hulk's motor is back together and it's being put in right now. We're gonna show you guys. Guys, we got some Easter eggs, some new mods that are there. I'm gonna show you guys. So I believe, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, the first GT500 2020 and up with this mod in the world. And guys, yes, if I haven't mentioned it, please go to StangMode.com, grab some merch. You entered to win the Undertaker. We got mods and videos and drag times coming with that. But for now, let's go see the Hulk. I'm so excited. And one quick thing, guys. Please, you know, let's just be positive. Let's not be negative Nancy's here. Yes, let's not like have the comments like, oh, when's it gonna blow next? Let's just be happy. Let's celebrate Hulk's back. What's up, sir? Guys, you see Hulk is on the lift here. Oh my gosh. There's the man putting in overtime.
Always.
Appreciate you, bro. He sent me this pic and I said, I'm coming. I told people in the intro we have a little bit of a Easter egg here that I believe no GT500, micro records in the universe has, which is the Steeda K member.
Yes.
So
I had to make some small modifications.
okay.
So,
Want to tell us about that?
transmission cooler. It hangs right here.
Okay.
Literally goes up in here and helps keep the transmission cool, which we need to keep. So
Yeah, exactly.
I had to cut these off of the K-frame,
Okay.
kind of fit them onto the existing K-frame, line them up with the radiator mounting points, weld them in place.
And that is custom done by Chuck here. So basically, this is the S550 K member that you can use on GTs and
This
whatnot.
is,
Okay.
Believe it or not, the K-frame between a GT and the GT500 is the same part number.
Okay, wow.
So, but all these companies, Steeda, BMR,
yep.
they make them lightweight. They don't have all this extra here because this is generally not used for anything.
Sure.
Yeah, this is
Interesting.
generally just used for, I've seen aftermarket, like supercharger installs will take advantage of these.
Sure.
But typically there's nothing out here that needs to be hooked up, so they generally leave it off.
Wow. But is that something that was it easy modification to do, or something that you
Relatively
reckon?
easy.
Gotcha.
It's just time consuming.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you can't just go and
Yeah,
slap
bing,
it in
bang, boom.
place, The way these are done is this opening in the factory K-frame, it actually is punched through. So you have to grind all that from the inside.
Okay.
So that it's nice and flush. But
It looks gorgeous, though.
yeah,
I mean,
I tried to make it.
it looks clean. I mean, we are going to save some weight, though, with this
Yep.
K member, so that's exciting. And our friend Estita did the grabber lime for us. Yep. So, all right. This is so. I was telling the people this is deja vu, but a new deja vu because we have some new things to this.
Yeah.
Just to reiterate, what we have is not only the K member, we now have stock cams back in, and we went down in compression just a hair, so we can run 93.
Run 93 just in
Yep.
case you get stuck somewhere.
Yep. So, but
So
this is it's something to see this how big this is like together, like holy cow. Oh Going up.
How to install a GT500 engine in under 5 minutes.
There you go, guys. Going up.
I work hard when you can work smart.
I know. That is freaking cool. Look at this. This K-member does look pretty cool. I will say that. I'm curious to see and to give the driving impression with the K-member, just to feel what that would do.
I got confused with the bumper.
Do you see our Steeda K-member?
Looks pretty.
Welcome Aquila 350 back to the channel. I was waiting for a fist bump, but
Yeah, sorry.
it's all good. We'll edit that out. The color is a little bit off from Grabber Line, but we're gonna go with it because beggars can't be choosers. No, because between the what's it called, the supercharger lid, billet lid, and that's like a darker green. This is a Grabber Line. This is like a Ninja Turtle.
The lid is like a Eagles green.
Eagles green, yeah. This is. They're all types of different greens, so I know the comments. Well, it doesn't even match. Yeah.
That's the last time
It's-
I did that part anyway.
Yeah, it's a green machine. You probably will be able to see it like through the wheel well a little bit, but yeah, it's probably never gonna be until we have it on the lift again. But it's a beautiful piece, though. Very nice piece.
You can always say it's custom.
Well, this is the stock. Look at the stock one. How heavy that is. Like, all you gotta do is just like. Oh my gosh, guys. And just like that, the world's first K-membered 2020 plus GT500 has been installed. It's true.
It is.
No one can claim this. Watch someone like, oh, someone in Texas did it 2 weeks ago. No, listen, I was supposed to do that in the intro, guys. Yes. We have all shades of green.
But this is,
I see. Okay.
this goes.
Well, look at that. Okay. Makes perfect sense now. I see how you're.
Angle's a little, oh, that's why. Because all that's still got to get pulled up.
Gotcha. All right. That was fast.
Hey, world's quickest GT500 instant.
That is okay. I don't know what to tell this. The world's quickest engine install or the world's quickest first GT K member. So we'll figure it out as we go. It looks beautiful though.
Yeah.
Looks really nice. Getting closer and closer and closer. And we titled this video Deja Vu, but there it is, Hulk. It's got the K member in. We're super excited. Boy, it is sunny out here. I can't even see the camera. But guys, we're so happy. Yes, and you know, just to kind of reiterate, just to have some talking points in this video, we got the K member in. Big shot to Steeda. Thanks to Chuck for a little fabrication action. So super excited about that. If you have GT500, check out CD Auto Tech if you want to do this mod, what needs to be done. And guys, just thank you much for all the support and for people hanging on and sticking on. I know I'll read the comments, people are negative Nancy's as well. When is this gonna break next? I think we got it. I think we're good. We're super excited. And people ask me this question, 3 things. Where's Mamba? There's Mamba. If you guys haven't been paying attention to the last video, we will be taking this motor out and taking over to L&M to get built, because it's time to stop playing games. And you guys have also asked for a VMP versus Whipple video, so we will have that for you. Just so much time, so much content, but for right now, I'm excited because Hulk's gonna smash soon. All right, guys, appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe and check out the giveaway, because you know it never ends. Peace. New mods, new visual mods.
More of my hands unwrapping all this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. Looks like an appendage. All right. That's what's gonna look like. That looks really cool. All right. Let's go out in the sun. Boat motor, K members, cool, but these carbon fiber splitter wickers, that looks really good. All right. And actually, guys, we have more mods. We got more visual mods coming, which I'll surprise you with in the future. So it begins.
It never ends.